Hi everyone. Welcome back to English Flow Daily. My name is Jack, and today we are going to talk about holidays. Party popper airplane. We will learn easy English travel phrases that you can use when you go on holiday or talk about travel. Before we start, if you like this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share this video. It helps me make more lessons for you. Ready? Let's have fun and practice together. Segment 1. Talking about holiday plans. Let's start with simple phrases about holiday plans. Repeat after me. I am going on holiday next week. My holiday is in the summer. I like to travel to new places. I want to visit the beach. Jack. Good job. Now, let's make small conversations. Where are you going for your holiday? I am going to the mountains. That sounds fun. I want to go too. Pause and repeat the conversation out loud. You're doing great. Segment 2, Booking and Travel Phrases. Jack. Next, let's learn phrases you can use when traveling. Repeat after me. I have a reservation. Can I have a ticket, please? What time does the bus/train leave? I need a map of the city. Let's make a short dialogue. Hello. I have a reservation for 2 people. Sure. Can I see your passport, please? Here it is. Thank you. You're welcome. Enjoy your stay. Pause and practice both parts of the dialogue. Great job. Segment 3. Talking about holiday activities. Now, let's talk about things you do on holiday. Repeat after me. I like swimming in the sea. I enjoy walking in the park. I want to try local food. I love taking photos of nature. Jack. Try to make your own sentence. My holiday activity is. I like. Remember, short sentences are perfect for beginners. You're improving already. Wrap up. Let's recap the key phrases we learned today. Holiday plans. I am going on holiday. My holiday is in the summer. I like to travel. Booking and travel. I have a reservation. Can I have a ticket? What time does the bus leave? Activities. I like swimming. I enjoy walking. I want to try local food. Now, here's a fun question for you. Where do you want to go on your next holiday? Write your answer in the comments. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for practicing English with me today on English Flow Daily. You're improving already. See you next time. Headphone.